content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we will update you with daily inventory coming in. We take videos every day of new arrivals of late model foreign and domestic vehicles. Right now you're looking at a Ford Edge SEL. This one was a freshwater flood damage vehicle. The unit does run and drive. There's no corrosion, no rust on the engine. Everything is clean. No condensation in the headlights or fog lights. This was a very low level flood damage vehicle. Do a quick walk around. The SEL is the top of the line model. The only one above this one is titanium. Body's clean. Have a little rub mark here. That'll buff out. Panoramic roof. We'll be selling this with a salvage title. This will be a nice builder for somebody that's looking for a SUV for the winter. It's a good size, not too small. Nice leather interior, navigation. See, the water line was very low, right below the seat bottoms. Seat tracks are clean, no rust, no corrosion. Interior is really nice. Got a panoramic sunroof. You can see the water wasn't too high. Reached about here. You can see where the dust settled. Post photos on the website soon. We'll dry it out a little bit, make sure the contacts are clean. Make sure there's no issues or water in the engine for the next buyer. Thanks for watching.